Hello. If you struggle to stay consistent with yoga, I've got something special for you. I'm Tonya from Yoga by Tonya, and I'm inviting you to join my free 7-day yoga consistency challenge. Each day, you'll get a short 10-minute, well, 5 to 10 minute flow you can actually fit into your morning, midday, or evening. So if your back or hips or energy just feels off, um, this is something, or you've been sitting too much, this is a challenge that will help you move better and feel better without hours of being on your mat. So go ahead and go to my website at yogabytanya.com and sign up. It's totally free. Once you join, you'll get day one right in your inbox. So let's go ahead and get you consistent with yoga again. So, hi, if you don't know me, my name is Tanya Yancey, and I am the founder of Yoga by Tanya. I help women stay consistent with yoga through simple, supportive, and fun online yoga classes that fit real life. So, go ahead and come join us.